Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the "and something went wrong" error. First, check your internet connection and make sure that it is stable. Then, a weak or unstable connection can cause this error. Next, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for "and post, swipe it away, closing it completely, wait for a few hours and reopen it. Temporary glitches can sometimes cause this error. Then restart your phone to refresh your system and remove temporary issue. Make sure that the app is updated. Head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for and Post app and make sure that it is updated to the latest version from the Google Play Store or App Store. Updates often fix bugs that causes error. If the error proceeds, uninstall the app and reinstall it from the official App Store. That's how you fix an and post something went wrong error. Subscribe for more simple and helpful guides.